Good morning, everyone. How are we? Today, I am going to a meditation workshop down in the south coast in Helensburgh. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are in the world, depending on the time zone you're in. Hope you are doing well, getting plenty of rest. So today, I thought have a day off my studies, go down to the south coast, get some meditation advice. I think there's going to be herbal tea or something. Looking forward to that. Just got up this morning, had some bread, had my coffee, and just heading now to Helensburgh to get out of the house and have a great day out, and hopefully I can learn some new techniques. So I just arrived here at the Bushland Chapel in Helensburgh today, down the south coast. Lovely day to get away from Sydney. For the meditation workshop. I'll give you like a little view around here. You know, you got some nice places, nice fresh air, which is what you want when you are virtually, doing a workshop. So what I'm hoping today to get out of today's workshop is to learn how I can better my meditation practice and learn new skills on how I can improve my life pretty much. So I've got about 45 minutes or so to pretty much just bludge. I thought I would go and just walk around here, go for a little walk, see what it's like to get out, because I quite like walking to basically, kill time, and basically it's just what keeps me sort of busy and keeps me moving instead of sitting in the car listening to a podcast. So I was listening to the Dan Carlin Hardcore History show this morning for today's drive. It was about an hour in the car. It's one of his new episodes I was listening to. So I thought, I'd give you a vlog today, just about what I'm doing. I like to do different things besides music. Basically, it's how I like to live my life and just be fresh. You know how you just want to get fresh? You do the same thing, too many things at once, or the same shit at once, and you're just like, oh my god, just over the shit. That's what it's like to basically live life with passion and do other activities. So and I do like to go out to events as much as I can and virtually do different things and get out to different places, you know. So the weather today down on the south coast, Helensburgh, a little cool, actually nice cool weather. I like the weather when it's cool. I love my video mic me as well. It's a great microphone, that's what I'm using to vlog for today's video. So I'll just crossing the road. Look left, look right. Don't forget those golden rules, guys. Look left and right. You know. So I'm just going past a coal mine at the moment. I wonder what it's like to be in a coal mine. These premises are under 24-hour surveillance. Wow, big deal. Big deal. There's always some good species of plants around here for some reason in this place. You know, plants are plants, but I mean, I don't know, it's like, you know, I sit on a computer all week and I just want to get out of the house, just do different shit, you know. It's basically, it's like, well, you know, as a musician slash composer slash entrepreneur, I need to just do different stuff, you know. And yeah, as you can see. I've always noticed the air's more fresh down here. Yeah, I always like it when it's like winter, and you know the sun's out, and you can just sit in the sun, in the fresh air, and just be as warm as you can, you know. So yeah, there we go. It's like, you know those seeds you find in those trees, the cockatoos like to chew on them and drop them, and then you try and mow the lawn and your lawnmower just chews it up. That really gives me the shits when I'm trying to mow the lawn at home, and then black cockatoos just want to like leave their shit everywhere. It pisses me off. Yeah, so just finished today's workshop. It was really, really good. I've enjoyed it. Got to learn some new meditation techniques. Got to learn how to, you know, meditate in a mindful manner, and gain new knowledge and wisdom from the workshop. Really enjoyed it. Can I get a large cappuccino, please, with no sugar?
Large cappuccino with no sugar, full cream milk?
Yeah, full cream milk, please.
Anything else?
No, that'll be all.
No worries, trust me, you're ready.
Thank you. How are ya?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Just the large cappuccino?
Yes, please.
Is it a free one?
Yeah.
No worries. You got it.
Okay. through just getting me afternoon coffee today, guys. It's very important to get the coffees in. The last coffee I had was, I don't know, 5 hours ago or something, and I'm like, I'm just at McDonald's now ordering coffee for my commute back home after the meditation workshop. Yeah, it's been really good. I've had a good day. The weather's actually more warmer up here, funny enough. Ended up taking a detour. I was supposed to go, I think it was the, was the Princess Highway or something, back to Campbelltown. Accidentally took a detour going through Heathcote. I was like, shit. Google Maps stuffed up on me again. You can't trust Google Maps, guys. It's a pain in the ass at times, you know. So I'm just waiting for this car to hurry up in front of me. With no one behind me, so I can get my afternoon coffee. You know that feeling when you just need a coffee? Or if you ever get a headache? Because you've had a long day and you just need that coffee. I mean, today, no, I didn't get that coffee headache, but I'll have to do an afternoon study session. That's been really good. I'm just waiting now. Just pulling up. Yes, thank you. Have a good afternoon, alright? Yeah. Always got to be very polite to the workers at McDonald's, guys. I'll say yes, please, no, thank you, yes, have a lovely day, sort of thing. Bit of a hard time getting out of there. No, it's been really good. I always like it when I can get out of Sydney. It's good stuff. McDonald's coffee, guys. That's the only shit I only buy from McDonald's. So look, if you like the YouTube channel, if you like today's vlog, leave your comments in the description down below. Subscribe to the channel. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and we will stay in tune for the future videos. Goodbye, everyone.